Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make Dalgona coffee. Okay, you guys have probably seen it all over TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest. I'm going to be showing you a very quick and easy way on how you can make it in your home. Okay, but before we get started, I would like, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, to please do so. I talk about anything fashion, lifestyle, beauty. Okay, so enough talking, let's get right into the video. Okay, y'all, so to start off making this coffee, you're going to need sugar. You're going to need your instant coffee of choice. I'm using Folgers Classic Roast, okay? You're going to need your milk of choice. I'm going to be using almond milk today. You're also going to need some water. You're going to need a mixing bowl, measuring spoon, and a whisk, okay? So first, let's get started. We're going to take equal parts of everything, okay? So I'm going to do a tablespoon of each. So good. So good. Anyways, thank you guys for sticking around watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this easy, affordable way on how to make this Dalgona coffee with everything you need in your home already. All right. So if you have any comments or suggestions, or you just want to say hello, please feel free to do so in the comment box below. All right. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will really help me out a lot, as well as hit that notification bell. All right. So that you are notified every single time I upload a video. All right. So I'm trying to get my to-do list together. I want to get out in that beautiful day today. It's such a pretty day in Houston today. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.